Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's May 7th, 2024, and I'm up in the 3rd food forest area. And today what I was able to do is a very nice day today, I should say that. And we may get rain tonight, and we got several days of rain coming. So what I've been doing is working up here in the 3rd food forest. And one of the things I did today was I went around with MiniMe, that's the little Kubota tractor, and picked up not all the rocks, but most of the rocks around in the 3rd food forest here where I've been working. And I used MiniMe to smooth out a lot of the soil around there. Then I came up with the Hulk, the Takushi TL12 V2 track loader, and smooth out this little bit of area here. But there are a few more rocks in there, but I got most of the rocks out, and I got most of the little undulations out as well. So I'm pretty happy with where it's at this point, because I want to get a cover crop seed down. So what is a cover crop? Well, it's trying, having bare soil really is no darn good. It's just a way not to feed the microorganisms in the soil, which take care of your plants, your trees, whatever it is that you want. And so having a cover crop that potentially will do multiple different functions to improve the soil health by providing nutrients and resources for the microorganisms in the soil to do their work, create a bountiful, productive ecosystem that can support the trees and bushes that you're planting. So I got this combination from True Leaf Market, and I've been getting seed from them for a couple of years. I have 2 different 25-pound bags. Hopefully you can see in there, but there's nitrogen fixers, there's carbon sequesters, it's inoculated as well, so it has the bacteria that are going to help to increase the amount of nitrogen, catch nitrogen from the atmosphere and put it into the soil as well. So there's daikon radish in there, there's wheat, the daikon radish there. We got some clover, some triticale. What else is there? There's some collard, and I mentioned clover, and I can't think of everything right now. But I'm going to use this little hand seeder here to go ahead and broadcast the seed. Now, I'm not going to be really particular with it. The seed can go around the trees. These will end up getting sheet mulched in the future. But it's really important to get as much, since I've destroyed so much of the soil microorganisms, although there's lots of beautiful carbon and nutrients in this soil, much more than the gravel that was here initially. Excuse me, by disrupting the soil, by digging the holes to transplant the trees in here, filling in the holes, compressing it with heavy equipment and all, we didn't do the soil any favors. So in order to help the soil out again, we're going to put a cover crop down all over the place, and hopefully that will create a bountiful environment for the soil, and also create an atmosphere to keep the soil from getting eroded, increase the moisture content of the soil, and bring in beneficial insects as well. So those are the things that I'm hoping that this cover crop will do. Had really great success with our other cover crops in the other locations, and that really does help out here as well. So that's what I'm going to do today, just broadcast some seed. No sense in seeing it, but I just wanted to give you a quick update on what I'm doing. So if you found this video of value, thanks so much, and have a super fantastic and safe day. Bye-bye now.